If your Navien Tankless water heater displays the E3 or E003 error code, it means the unit is experiencing an ignition failure. In simple terms, the burner is not lighting, so the system cannot heat water. When this happens, you'll see the error code on the display, and you'll likely have no hot water at all. This issue should be addressed quickly to avoid further complications. The ignition system relies on three key components working together. The igniter produces the spark that lights the gas. The gas valve controls the flow of fuel to the burner. The flame sensor verifies that a stable flame is present and keeps the system running safely. If any of these parts malfunction, or if gas supply or airflow is restricted, the heater will fail to ignite and trigger the E3 code. To troubleshoot, start by confirming the gas valve is fully open and that your home has proper gas supply. Next, inspect the igniter and flame rod for dirt, corrosion, or loose wiring. Check the venting and air intake for blockages that could restrict airflow. Clean the air filter if needed. Finally, power cycle the unit by turning it off for a few seconds and restarting it. For long-term prevention, schedule annual maintenance, descale the unit regularly, and consider installing a water softener in hard water areas.